NASA just took a big visible step toward its next crewed moon mission. After the recent successful Artemis II test flight around the moon, the agency rolled out the core stage for the Space Launch System rocket that will launch Artemis III in 2027. On Monday, the massive hardware left NASA's Michoud Assembly Facility in New Orleans, headed for shipment to Kennedy Space Center in Florida. Key progress on the path to NASA's first crewed lunar landing mission under Artemis in about 2 years. This rollout is a logistics operation as much as it is a space milestone. Using highly specialized transporters, engineers maneuvered the top 4/5 of the SLS core stage from inside Michoud to NASA's Pegasus barge. That section includes the liquid hydrogen tank, liquid oxygen tank, the intertank, and the forward skirt. Major structures that store and support the super-chilled propellants needed for launch. From there, Pegasus will deliver the stage to Florida. NASA leaders say the moment is a reminder that Artemis III is moving from plans to hardware. Laurie Glaze, acting Associate Administrator for NASA's Exploration Systems Development Mission Directorate, called the rollout a powerful reminder of our progress toward returning humans to the lunar surface, adding, "This is the backbone of Artemis III." As the stage heads to Kennedy for final integration, NASA says it's another step toward testing the capabilities needed to land astronauts on the Moon and build toward future crewed missions to Mars. The completed SLS core stage will stand 212 feet tall once the shipped section is combined with its engine section. The top portion contains 2 propellant tanks, holding more than 733,000 gallons of super-chilled liquid propellant to feed 4 RS-25 engines. During launch and ascent, the fully integrated stage will operate for more than 8 minutes, producing more than 2 million pounds of thrust, powering Orion and its crew toward orbit. In short, this is the rocket's main muscle. Building, assembling, and transporting the core stage is a collaborative effort between NASA contractors. Boeing is responsible for the overall design and assembly of the core stage, and L3Harris Technologies manufactures the RS-25 engines. NASA also says recent announcements by Administrator Jared E. Zayakman will help standardize the SLS configuration, streamline operations, and optimize production. Changes meant to accelerate the Artemis program by making manufacturing and launch prep more efficient and repeatable. After the core stage arrives at Kennedy Space Center, teams will complete stage outfitting and begin vertical integration, stacking the rocket's components for launch. NASA's Exploration Ground Systems program will manage that stacking process as the vehicle comes together. Artemis is framed as a long-term campaign, increasingly challenging missions, more exploration and science on the Moon, and an enduring human presence that supports economic benefits. NASA says the Moon is also the proving ground for the next leap, preparing for the first crewed missions to Mars.